Hello, my name is Mark Russell. I'm the Technology Specialist at Westgate Elementary, and today we're going to look at how to use Pictograph passwords. Our students in kindergarten, first and second grade are now going to have this opportunity to log into Rapid Identity using just pictures. So they'll have to choose one picture out of a choice of 9 twice, and that will get them in. If they're having problem with the pictures, they can bypass it and go back to a regular password. I'll show you how that works, and we'll also show you how to set it up. So first, to do that, I am going to go to the Kennewick School District website. This is ksd.org. If I come over here to the side to students, right here I have Rapid Identity. I can click that link. Yes, sign in. And I'm going to sign in as my daughter, so she's down there, 30 Blair Russell. And when you sign in for the first time, it's going to say you need to set up this pictograph to go. So I am going to choose a crown, and I'm going to choose a book. Why not? So hers are the crown and the book. I just had to put in her existing password. And it is all set and good to go. So now she's got that set up. So what I'm going to do now is log out, start again. So let me get another incognito window going on. And I've got the bookmark here for Rapid Identity, so I can just click that. It'll probably say sign in. Now let's see how this works. I'm going to go find her name again, so 30 Blair Russell. And now we have to remember what those passwords were. So I remember it was a crown. And then I also remember it was a book. Woohoo! And we are successfully signed in. Pretty easy, right? I'm going to log out again, just so that I can show you how to bypass that. So if you're having trouble logging in, you can't remember which pictures you chose, but you still have your password with letters and numbers written down, we can use that. So I'm going to go to 30 Blair Russell again, and then it says choose your pictures. If you don't want to, let me hide this thing here, I can try another method. And then it brings me back to password, and I can just go and then she's logged in just like before. There you go. Thank you very much for watching.